Hey, my name is Jen Wagner, and I'm going to walk you through how to edit these video mockups in Adobe Photoshop. So when you open up your file, this is what you're going to see. It's going to look pretty much like any other mockup you've opened. The key difference is that this is video-based, and we need to access that portion of it. So if you don't see the timeline window, you're going to go up to Window, Timeline, and that's going to open up your video timeline so you can see what's going on. From there, we are going to edit this just like any other mockup. So in your layers panel here, you're going to ignore the screen and this layer here and just pay attention to this double click to replace layer. So you'll double click this window here, and that's going to open up your smart object to edit your screen. From there, you can just drag and drop your screen recording, your artwork, whatever it is you want to showcase on the screen. Delete the old layer and save. And that's it. It's going to have replaced your screen with the content that you want to be there. So from here, we're going to save our file. It's going to be a bit different from how we normally would save a JPEG or PNG. We're actually going to have to render the video. So here in the timeline window, you'll click this hamburger menu and go to Render Video, or you can click File, Export, Render Video. And it's going to pull up all these options. They might look a little bit intimidating. The default will probably be set to document size. This is going to be a very, very large file. It's going to look great, but it's going to be big. So I recommend using this size only if you're going to use it for Instagram or maybe a presentation, like something where you have the file on hand and you're not having to pull it from a server like for your website. So that high quality is going to be great for those formats. If you want a lower quality video, you can adjust the quality here and keep the size the same. So this will make your file size a lot smaller, but still keep it pretty good quality. Or you can adjust your size here to 1080p. And that's just a pretty good, solid foundation for just about anywhere. And select that high quality. The only weird thing I've noticed is that if you're wanting to export the full quality video in a vertical format, so if you've got a template that's vertical instead of horizontal, it's not gonna work in this H.264 format. You're gonna have to switch it to QuickTime. So if you have that document size set and it's a vertical format, make sure you set it to QuickTime. If it's horizontal like this, it works just fine in H.264. It's a height thing. I don't get it, but that's how that goes. So I'm just gonna export this at the document size, but low quality, so you can see how that works out and the file size. So you'll click Render, and this will take a few minutes. It can take anywhere from like 2 to 5 minutes on my computer. You just gotta kind of be patient, but trust the process, it is working. So our video's done exporting, and now we can take a look. It is 14 megs, so not bad. You probably need lower quality for web, but look at how crisp everything looks. It looks great. So that's it.